What is a Twin XL mattress? If you're shopping for a new mattress and wondering what a Twin XL mattress is, you're in the right place. Let's break down the details to help you make an informed decision. First, let's talk about the dimensions. A Twin XL mattress measures 38 inches wide and 80 inches long. This is just 5 inches longer than a standard twin mattress, which is 38 inches wide and 75 inches long. This extra length makes a big difference, especially for taller individuals. The key difference between a twin and a Twin XL mattress is the length. While both mattresses have the same width, the Twin XL provides more legroom, making it ideal for people over 6 feet tall or for growing children and teens who may eventually exceed 6 feet. Twin XL mattresses are great for small rooms because they don't take up much space. They are often recommended for single sleepers, whether it's a child, teenager, or young adult, especially those living in smaller apartments or dorm rooms. In fact, Twin XL mattresses are very common in university dorms due to their space-saving design. One of the benefits of a Twin XL mattress is its comfort for taller sleepers. Since it's longer than a standard twin, it allows you to stretch your legs comfortably without feeling cramped. However, it's important to note that both Twin and Twin XL mattresses are narrow, so they might not be the best choice if you like to turn and toss a lot or stretch your hands and body widely while sleeping. If you're considering a Twin XL mattress, you should also think about the room size. A room that is at least 9 feet by 9 feet is recommended to accommodate a Twin XL mattress comfortably. This size ensures you have enough space around the bed to move around easily. Another interesting fact about Twin XL mattresses is that when you combine two of them, they form a split king mattress. This is particularly useful for adjustable bed frames, as each sleeper can have their own adjustable settings while still sleeping in the same bed. In terms of cost, Twin XL mattresses are generally a bit more expensive than standard twin mattresses due to the extra length, but the price difference is relatively small. They usually range from $350 to $1,500, depending on the materials and brand. So, if you're taller than 6 feet or need a mattress that fits well in a small room while providing extra leg room, a Twin XL mattress is definitely worth considering. It's a great option for those who want comfort without taking up too much space.